Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to get face tracking in Roblox. You must first provide Roblox access to your camera. Go to roblox.com and ensure you are logged in with the right account in order to enable the face tracking feature on Roblox. To access the account settings, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. The tab for the camera and microphone inputs is over there in the privacy settings. Verify that both the camera and microphone settings are turned on. Additionally, you must confirm that it is securely linked to your PC. Then you can leave your Roblox settings and start a face tracking compatible experience. Additionally, it would be wise to put accessories on your Roblox character so that people can perceive your expression. By clicking the escape key and going to settings from here, you can access your Roblox settings. Make sure the appropriate device is selected as your video camera device. In the camera settings section, the face tracking feature has not yet been included to many games at this moment, and it might take some time before the best programmers update your favorite games. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.